nice performance by Arushi. Our next performance would be by Odissi student, and we will be doing the basic steps of Odissi, that is Chauka and Tribhangi. Would like to explain. Come, Jayashree. This is the basic stance of Odissi, where the form is, so there are, when the student starts learning, there are 10 basic steps that the student learns with this kind of a stance or a posture. And the second is Tribhangi. Tribhangi means three parts of the body, or three